It's really hot right now. The market is not hot right now. I got a lot of money in the market. I did not do well today. It is June 10th. It's Friday. Friday's the day where everybody panics. The inflation number came out today, and I mean, nothing new happened and the market tanked. That is not what should happen. If nothing new comes out, then it shouldn't move. Everybody was expecting what happened today would happen, and then everybody panicked and it went down. It might continue to go down. The tech things are getting hammered. The point is that when you don't learn anything new, nothing should happen, but people are selling. They could have sold yesterday. If the market should be lower, it should be where it is. It should be fair right now. I mean, if the future looks like it's going to be a recession and things should be lower, then QQQ should be 200 right now. If it's going to 200, there's no new information. They're going to figure it out based on earnings. It's economics, and if people understood economics, they wouldn't be arguing about politics. Stocks are worth a function of what people believe their future earnings are going to be divided by interest rates. It's a very simple formula, and you can't predict the future, and they do their best to predict the future. It's not technical analysis. So maybe it's panic, maybe it's going lower, but statistically over a 10-year period, if I keep my money in here, it'll be higher by 10% a year. And that's what I'm doing. Even though I got crushed today, I'm leaving my money in the market. It might go to 250 first, and maybe I should get out, but I can't time it. I'm leaving it there. But people are having political arguments, and it's not politics, it's economics. These people that are having political arguments, they don't know economics. I do. I was a trader, and I studied economics, and I understand it. It's not politics. Joe Biden is president. Every president inherits what he inherits. There's a lag. There's a lagging effect of the economy. So when Trump took over, the first year or so, it was the effects of what Biden were doing. The things that he did had no effect until another year. There's a thing called the presidential effect, that when presidents try to get reelected, they try to jump the market up so they get reelected. So what's going to happen in the future is very clear. Joe Biden is doing his best to give the money to the poor people. The Republicans are doing their best to give their money to the rich people. The Republicans are probably going to make advances in the November election. They're going to have to fight Biden because he wants the money to go to the poor people. The Republicans want it to go to the rich people. They're going to probably make advances in the November election. They're going to have to fight Biden, but eventually the stuff is going to come back. Biden's going to do his best to get the money to the poor people. The Republicans would probably gain some power in November. Are going to fight him and try to joust this stock market back. Stock market has nothing to do with the economy. It has to do with, well, it does, but, do you own stocks? The Republicans want the stock market to go up because they're rich. Biden he wants to build roads. He wants to give poor people money. Poor people usually don't have stocks. The Republicans are going to try to make the stock market go up. Biden's going to try to help the poor people and help the economy. Who knows what's going to happen, but probably Republicans going to win in the next presidential election, and then that guy's going to do his best to joust up the stock market, and then I'll make my money. That's the way the world works. Learn economics. It's not politics, it's economics and motivation. And the Republicans, everybody votes with their bank book, well, especially Republicans too. But it's just all economics. Depends on what the president wants to do, who he wants to reward, and the Republicans usually want to reward the rich people, and the Democrats, they claim that they want to reward the poor people, but they're getting paid too. I don't care what your politics are, the stock market is all economics. Learn economics, and you'll understand. But over a 10-year period, if you just hold on to the market, except I'm not into ETFs right now because I don't like Elon Musk. He might be brilliant, but if he gets hit by a bus, Tesla's worth nothing tomorrow. I want out of the Elon Musk business. All these ETFs have too much Tesla in it. I got no idea what Tesla's worth, but I know that Amazon's making money, Apple will make money. I don't mind owning them. I don't want anything to do with the Elon Musk business. But it's not politics, it's economics. You should learn some economics, and then you wouldn't have so many political fights.